Even though we are dealing with advanced technologies like gene editing, CRISPR, AI, and quantum photonic technologies, in an increasingly competitive global economy, the survival of high-tech industries depends on strategic efficiency. Among the hidden potentials lies a crucial factor: idle capacity. Idle productive capacity represents the gap between what a factory can produce and what it produces. Unless leveraged through strategic discount policies, this inefficiency translates into wasted opportunity. Price elasticity of demand measures how consumers respond to price changes. When prices are lowered strategically, demand may increase exponentially, especially in markets with high price sensitivity. Using historical data, we simulate production, revenue, and financial outcomes. With a leverage ratio of 2.4, a small increase in sales can produce a disproportionately higher rise in net profit, highlighting the impact of well-timed discount strategies. Targeting the right segment is crucial. Through structured interviews and market segmentation, we identify which environments respond best to price flexibility: retail, corporate, or government procurement. According to the Pareto principle, 20% of strategic initiatives may yield 80% of profit growth. But risks exist: statistical noise, external market shocks, and price misalignment. Caution must accompany innovation. The path is uncertain and full of challenges. However, with vision and responsibility, the industry can evolve. And humanity, freed from hunger and war, will turn to the stars, seeking new opportunities and deeper knowledge.